Cat. Hi guys, I'm right here. Oh, here, I was sitting on my microphone. Okay, here we go, so I don't sound too annoying to you dolls. Did y'all watch Step Brothers? I have like nail glue in my mouth. No, you can ask me how that happened. How are you dolls? Because I hope you dolls are doing amazing as you should during this wonderful season, staying safe of course, and yet still feeling festive. We are doing another video of a Halloween costume challenge. I've actually done a couple of Halloween makeup look costume challenges, but they were so mediocre. I was like, nah, can't do this to you dolls. So hopefully today will be better. So I am going to do some cute little cat makeup. You can do it with me, or if you want a last minute costume idea, I think it's a really easy thing to do because all you need to do is like get little headpieces, which is like for me, that's like easy. As you know, I'm not a makeup guru, but I am on this journey, self-love, self-care, you know, making sure that we are forcing ourselves to take time to have fun and to explore and to experiment. And did I say have fun? So in this channel, we do lots of aesthetic things. We do girly girl things. So if you're into that, we also do giveaways, and I have an ongoing giveaway, although I have not been really adding to the giveaway. But yeah, check back my other videos. Check the description box below to learn more about how you can be entered, because we are getting this channel to 3,000. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So dolls, I look like shiz. I swear, pink is definitely not my color. Since this is a girly girl costume look, then I definitely want to feel the part. So I got my pink robe on. And I also put in contacts. These are light brown with black rims, so it gives me that cat eye color look. Let's go ahead and play. With step one, I'm going to put this kind of like a fleshy, or how should I say, it's kind of like, yeah, a baby pink, white. And then number two is, I'm going to use black eyeliner. I'm going to connect it from the farthermost outer corner. I'm going to use white paint. And I can re-go over the black after too, so it's not a big deal. Not a big deal! Excuse me. I really love this pink so much. So I definitely want to mess with that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it over here. See how that goes. So far so cute, in my opinion. And I'm gonna bring this pink down, basically outlining the eyeliner with it. I just dropped it down. I don't know why. I've been kind of liking that. It's been weird. It's been spooky. I don't know. I think it just adds a little bit more like artistry. These lashes, they are actually thicker. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's a little bit more thicker at the ends. But you can use any lashes. So I'm gonna go just splat some gray here. I'm just kind of like, I don't know. I don't want to follow the lines. Like, I just want to go out of the lines, and we'll just see where this will take me. So I'm just gonna splat, splat with gray, using like this circular whatever brush. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry. I just had to go with what was in my mind. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Pretty cray-cray. Go with my MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15 Foundation Broad Spectrum. What color is this? NW20. I do want to make the gray a little bit more bolder here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with this gray here. And I'm actually going to dip it in black as well. Yeah, there we go. So then I'm gonna get some more black and gray here. I'm just gonna bring it down. And the black eyeliner to soften it and to fill it. Define my eyebrows a little bit. Simple, I think. I'm just gonna get this brush and I'm gonna make my nose. And I'm just gonna bring it down here. And then I am going to draw some whiskers. I turned mouse. It's still kind of cute though. I don't know, dolls. What do you think? What do you think? So I literally didn't film the rest of my makeup and it's a little bit of a disaster right now, but anyway. Okay, I just used gray eyeshadow as my contour and I obviously added some black here. I added some white shadow and I made some little dots with black with my eyeliner, and I used blush, and I have my costume. I got the costume again from SHEIN. I actually forgot that I got this costume, and I just recently filmed my SHEIN haul. So it was actually since August is when, end of August or beginning of September, that I got these items. So yeah, I'm gonna get that video out as soon as possible to you dolls. I would say it is more of a fall haul, but yeah, it's like got my ears on, and I've got yeah, I've got this cute little, I don't know if it's like a cat. I think it's like a cat mouse. I can't figure it out. I'm a cat or a mouse. I don't know. That's so fetch, right? So let me just show you guys really quick. This is my little cat outfit. Meow, meow. Anyways, dolls, so I love you. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, stay fabulous as you should, and do not let anyone else make you feel otherwise. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.